How to make a quick and dirty shooting board in less than a minute. With full boards I need to flatten and square the ends off. So I've got a couple of bits of old furniture, flat enough. This is not meant to be precise. 4 screws in. Make sure that the plane runs down the side. And then we've got our head bar in, I don't know what you call that. Doesn't have to be that square for this kind of shooting board. This is not one of those ones that guides you everywhere. Mark on your board a pencil line, that's a guide. Now what I did notice was that that plane I was using, the underside of it was curved. It's been used for shooting boards before. It's an old plane, and also it's not very good. The mouth is wide open. And that is how you make a shooting board in less than a minute.